In this video, we will check this model. At this view, I see rhombus shapes, while at this view, I see diamond shapes. This model actually belongs to the trigonal or hexagonal crystal system, depending on the reference. But for this video, let's just adapt the hexagonal crystal system for this model. And the HM notation and Hurlbut notation are shown in the screen. The first viewing direction would be the C-axis. I am holding the C-axis right now. My fingers are on both ends of the C-axis. In the C-axis, I should see a 3-bar symmetry. I will rotate this model by 120 degrees and flip and should see the same face. So remember that face. I will rotate by 120 and flip and see the same face. I will rotate by 120 and then flip and see the same face. So by now, we are convinced that we have a 3-bar symmetry in the C-axis. We have 3 A-axes for the hexagonal crystal system, and they are colored in my model. For the first A-axis, let's see if we really have a 2/m symmetry. Remember that face. We will flip or rotate by 180 degrees and see the same face. And if I draw an imaginary line here for the mirror plane, you will see that the upper part of the crystal is reflecting the lower part. The other A-axis would be located here. Remember that face. Rotate the crystal by 180 and we see the same face. And then if I draw my imaginary line here, you will notice that the upper part of the crystal is reflecting the lower part. And the third A-axis would be here. Remember that face. I rotate 180 degrees and get the same view. And I draw an imaginary line here to reflect the mirror plane. I will see that the upper part of the crystal is reflecting the bottom part. So indeed, my HM notation is 3-bar and 2/m.